Hey everybody, this is Calvina, coming right back at you guys with another video. And this time what I want to talk about today is basically making money online. Just giving you make money online tips. Alright, some advice. Type of niches that you would like to get into. So, alright. Okay. Making money online basically depends on your skills and interests and the willingness to put in the effort. Alright, since you create TikTok videos and focus on motivational contents, here are some high potential ways you can maximize your online earnings. Number 1, monetize your TikTok content. Okay, TikTok Creator Fund is pretty good. You can earn money based on video views and engagement. Brand deals and sponsorships. Partner with brands in self-improvement, finance, or productivity niches. Affiliate marketing, where you can promote digital products, courses, books, software, and earn commissions. TikTok live gifts. Go live regularly and encourage your audience to send virtual gifts. Okay, you can sell your own products, ebooks, digital courses, or coaching services, to name some. Alright. Number 2, YouTube, right? You can purpose your content on YouTube. Okay, you can upload your TikTok videos as YouTube Shorts to grow your audience. Monetize with YouTube Partner Program, ads, memberships, super chats. You can put your affiliate links in the descriptions. Also, number 3, you can sell digital products and services, ebooks and guides, motivational mindset, or productivity books. Online courses, teach motivation, confidence building, or social media growth. Okay? And one-on-one coaching, you can charge for personal mentorship. Again, these are ways that you can make money online. Okay, number 4, another, affiliate marketing. You can promote high-ticket products and self-improvement. Alright, online courses, software, and books. Ebooks also. Okay, you can use platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Impact.com. Impact, huh? I'm gonna have to check that out. I've never seen that before, but let me check it out. It's another site. Number 5, you can also do freelancing and side hustles. Offer TikTok content creation services for brands or influencers. Right? You can become a social media manager or consultant. You can also sell motivational scripts or video ideas. And last but not least, number 6, you can build a website or a newsletter. You can start a blog or email list for deeper connections. You can monetize with ads, sponsorships, or paid subscriptions. Alright? So these are ways that you can make money online, affiliate marketing, on TikTok, YouTube, so on and so forth. Okay? I just wanted to give you guys some information on make money online tips. Alright? I know it's a short video. Didn't want it to be too long. Alright, so hopefully you guys get some nice tips from that. And yeah. Alright. My name is Calvina, guys. I'm signing off. I really appreciate you guys watching the video, taking the time out. I know y'all could be doing anything else, you know. Alright. I appreciate you taking the time watching the video. Like, share, subscribe. One more time. Like, share, subscribe for more videos on this. You guys have a wonderful and successful day.